Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Kids, today we are drawing Looney Tunes character Tweety. Tweety is a beloved character from the Looney Tunes cartoon series, adored by both kids and toddlers. This cute little yellow canary is known for his sweet demeanor and clever antics. Tweety often finds himself in tricky situations, facing off against the silly and scheming cat Sylvester. Despite being small in size, Tweety is incredibly smart and resourceful. He always manages to outwit Sylvester and escape from his clutches using his quick thinking and agility. Tweety's adventures are filled with laughter and excitement, making him a favorite among young viewers. With his endearing personality and charming voice, Tweety teaches kids valuable lessons about bravery, kindness, and never giving up, making him a timeless icon in children's entertainment.